need to go do something. Now, let me find some of these things, bro. Where they at? Who picked all of these?
I did.
Did you take all the damn weed?
Yeah.
This man took all the weeds, bro. Look, I got 1 weed, 2 weeds. I got 6 bags of weed, bro. We got, it's free real estate, free weed.
You don't get no
Pick this up.
weed to smoke.
We got 8 bags of weed.
I sold all that weed for cash.
Jordan's the drug dealer now? Oh my gosh. That's my job, Jordan.
No, it's not.
Okay, now we got 10 bags of weed. Does weed come back?
Yeah, I think so. One time I stole like so much weed.
How much weed can you hold?
I think when you hit 99,
You can hold 99 weed?
It just doesn't give you any. So you're technically just wasting time picking up more weed.
You can pick up mad weeds?
Yeah, it's technically just being a weed and then stealing all the money.
What the fudge?
If weed gave you like $10,000,
It's weed, I mean, why wouldn't it?
then
It's just weed. It doesn't say clumps of weeds.
take the S away, clumps of weed.
You already know I'm finna grab all this weed, bro. And I'm gonna sell it to the highest bidder. And we're gonna have a nice time.
No, just keep it till tomorrow.
This tree is really bothering me.
Don't cut it down.
Why not? This tree's pissing me off, bro.
Oh,
Pissing me off. Get the freak out of my...
Look how it just disappeared.
I need to grab my weed, bro.
There should be a
Guys,
thing where you can put stuff like in your backpack.
whoever's watching this, don't do weed. I'm just joking around. Unless you want, I'm not gonna stop you. I'm not saying nothing. It's your choice and all. You know what I'm saying?
This 5-year-old watching this.
If you're underage, don't even think about it. I mean, you didn't hear it from me, or I didn't say nothing. You didn't say nothing. Nobody knows nothing. Do what you want. You know what? No, Jordan, listen. Do what you want. It's your life. Okay.
Are you done your drink?
I didn't say anything. Okay. This is not alcohol.
Lemonade.
You ruin everything. And if you want to do weed, you do weed, man. But don't.
There's more.
Nobody. I did not say nothing. Okay.
Back over there.
This is just jokes. And I am not a drug dealer as well.
Look at the stars.
In real life.
It looks like there's
in this game, I am. I'm selling weed. It's not real weed though. I don't know. Nobody told you anything, okay? You didn't hear anything from me. How much weed can you hold, bro? For real, you just hold. Let me go see how much this costs. What is that? Weed too?
All of this stuff is weed,
bro.
Jonathan.
Even these things?
No, those are flowers.
You can't hold them. I'm literally grabbing mad weeds, bro. Why do I feel like these don't grow back? Because I grabbed a bunch of them before, and I don't know if they grew back or not. You get mad. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. We're at 99 now, boys. We're gonna come to the conclusion. Oh shoot. No! Oh, never mind, doesn't matter. We're gonna find out how much weed you can hold. 95.
They're getting smacked? No.
Last one. Alright, we're at 99, Jordan. I'll pick it up.
Oh, you get more still.
No.
Yeah.
99 is
You have 2 right
max.
over there.
Yeah, it goes in the other thing, but 99 is max for one clump.
Look, catch that fish.
Oh. Come here, boy. Where you going?
He's like, please don't do it.
Please don't fry me, boy.
You should be able to eat fish. Like, what do they this game? Nothing.
No, Renee cooks for you. Come here. This fish is literally switching up on me. What you doing? Oh my gosh. Stop switching up, bro. Stick to one. Yeah. You like that? Nibbling on nothing? I don't have any bait. These fish are so stupid in this game, bro. I swear. Oh, yeah. What is this? Catfish. More.
I have that.
Guess what, guys? I caught most of the girls at my school. I'm so funny.
I have caught a catfish.
Jordan, you don't get the joke, do you?
No.
Jordan doesn't get. My brother does not get the joke. I don't know if you guys would get the joke either, because I don't know how old you
I've
are.
seen the videos. I don't look like this.
Catfish? Yeah, you know what catfishing is, right, Jordan?
No.
You don't know what it is?
Yeah, he does.
How do you not know? You literally just said basically what
It's what they don't look like that.
it's when you use like a bunch of makeup or use filters and
Get the flowers.
you make yourself look nice. I don't want the flowers. You make yourself
They
look
sell
on
for pretty good.
nice, right? And then next thing you know, you meet them in real life or something.
They're ugly as hell.
And no, they're not ugly, but they don't look the same.
Yeah.
Some of them may be looking pretty like, you know, different, like a whole different person. And I'm gonna be honest, when I use filters and stuff, everybody looks like a whole different person. But when I talk to somebody, I send them a picture. If I'm gonna send them a filter, I send them also a picture of what I actually look like. Some people on the internet, you don't know what they actually look like, and it's hella weird. And then you meet them in real life, and you're like, hold up. Like if people know what I look like when I text, they know what I actually. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna be able to catch
You'd
it.
have to walk over.
I don't want it. If I send a picture to a group chat, I also send a real picture of myself,
I'm
like
so
a regular
excited
one.
to get my house.
Bro, let me see how much this is. If this is not a $10,000, the people are literally ripping you off, bro. This weed right here.
So the empty can.
Right? Look at this freaking bullcrap.
Sell everything.
Hold on, how much are these guys? Oh damn, the catfish are not that much. Take the girls at my school.
Of course.
Take them.
What about the 99?
I'm not selling that. That's my weed, bro. I always gotta keep the stash on me. How do you put stuff? I'm just joking. It's nothing. It's just a game. I do not support